Welcome to the Compass Guide Research Training Resources. My name is Sandra Mandic and I'm the author of these materials. Imagine you're faced with the task of doing a research project, writing up a research report, and presenting knowledgeably about an unfamiliar topic. Where do you start? Here is a user-friendly resource to help you out. The second edition of the book, Compass Guide for Beginners. This book has been designed for professionals working outside academia, as well as university students who are new to research. This book is also a valuable resource for research student supervisors to refer their students to, that will assist supervisors in providing high-quality advice while making student supervision process more time efficient for themselves. This book will take you on a journey through the research process, from ideas and research questions to preparing effective research reports and presentations. Along the way, you will find tips for defining research objectives, reading research articles, and writing up the background section of your research report. You will also find guidelines for writing up research methods and putting together your research proposal. You will learn about planning research data collection and preparing collected data for analysis. This book will also offer you guidelines for reporting research results, writing discussion and conclusion sections, and putting together your research report. In the final section of this book, you will find tips and suggestions for preparing effective presentations to share your research findings, as well as basic guidance for writing research abstracts and scientific journal articles. Like other Compass guidebooks, this book is written in a unique and user-friendly writing style, with guidelines, tips, and suggestions. The book contains 30 infographics and links to 10 short Compass Guide research training videos, which are available at the AGILE Research YouTube channel. You can choose to check out sections relevant to your stage in the research process, and you can keep coming back for tips and suggestions at different stages of your research journey. This highly informative and practical guide is a must-have companion for anyone who is new to research or those who guide others on their research journey. Check it out, get a copy for yourself, your students, and your institution's library. This book is part of the Compass Guide Research Training Resources published by AGILE Research Limited. At AGILE Research, our vision is to help organizations, teams, and individuals navigate the research process, successfully complete their research projects, and deliver high-quality research outputs. Our efforts are focused on making research training and resources exciting, delightful, understandable, and accessible, and we work with a wide range of organizations and professionals from various sectors. We invite you to check out Compass Guide books, courses, workshops, and research training videos, and sign up for our newsletter at the AGILE Research website. Contact us to discuss your research needs and how we can help you unlock your research potential. If you have found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the AGILE Research YouTube channel. Happy learning!